Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Oreo filled cookies. Let's begin. To start, grab yourself a large mixing bowl. Into the bowl place your butter, your granulated white sugar and brown sugar, and then mix the three together until they are well combined and lighter and fluffy in colour and consistency. Don't forget to add your vanilla to your egg. You can then go ahead and start adding your egg to your sugar mixture, a little at a time, mixing well in between each addition until you have no egg remaining. Give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and add in the dry ingredients. I sieved mine before adding it to the bowl, and then your chocolate chips as well, and mix together on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium speed just until a clear dough forms, being careful not to over mix the dough at this stage, otherwise the cookies will be tough in texture. You can go ahead and give the bowl another scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in. So these aren't a regular size cookie, these are quite big ones, so take a large scoop of cookie dough and then just flatten it between your fingers or hands, and then you can pipe in some Oreo spread. There'll be a link to this recipe down below in this description. You'll then want to just round it off, making sure none of the spread is on the outside, and then place onto a baking tray and repeat with the remaining cookies. I got around 6 onto a tray. So don't forget to check out the description if you're interested in making these cookies. There'll be a link directly to the blog post, my blog, and all my social medias, along with how to make the Oreo spread. So here are what the cookies look like once they are fully baked, and as you can tell, they're still quite warm. And there you go, you can just see that layer of black, which is the Oreo spread, and let me tell you, it tastes so good with the vanilla cookie, with the chocolate chips. You'll honestly like these. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description where there'll be links to my social medias, my blog and everything else. Until next time, bye guys.